everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we have the biggest haul of all time on all of YouTube, at least on my channel, and it's gonna be spring and summer clothes. I just love to clickbait you guys because this haul, I did not pay for any of these clothes. It's not PR, they weren't sent to me like that kind of thing. All these clothes are free. Can I even lift this? It's this giant bin, and that's because these were all in my basement. These are my summer clothes that I put away, and I just thought it'd be fun to go through them. I kind of forget what's in here. I put this stuff in this bin like at the beginning of fall, end of summer, and now it's getting to spring and summertime. I mean, it's snowing outside today in Michigan, but it'll get warm sooner. So going through these clothes is like a new haul to me. I really recommend doing this because you don't feel like you need to go buy new clothes for the new season. Like taking out these clothes for the season feels like a new haul. So there's that. Before we get into this video too, I wanted to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. You guys already know the rundown, and we'll talk about them in a little bit. So let's just get into this haul. So on the very top, we have this little mesh tank top that is so cute. I absolutely love this tank top because it's got like a sparkly underlay, so you don't have to wear like a specific bra with it, or you can wear no bra or any bra and it won't show. And then sparkle also matches anybody's skin tone, so it just makes so much sense. The brand is Maxi New York. I thrifted this last summer. Can't wait to start wearing it again. It feels new. I don't even think I got to wear that last year. Okay, next thing we have is one of my all-time favorite shirts. This was actually from Forever 21 like 4 or 5 years ago. It's just this little white puff sleeve cropped ruche top. And this is Forever 21, but I think it's from like their boutique line because the brand is Blue Blush. I don't even know if they do that anymore, but it's really nice quality. I wear this shirt all the time in the summer, so I'm very happy to get that back from out of my basement. And then we've got a pair of shorts. These little linen ones are from, I think this is originally from Lulu's. If I can find any of these products, I'll link them down below. These are my go-to in the summertime. They're kind of like a fancier athletic short, and I love this material. They're so lightweight, pockets, love it, can't go wrong. Then we have a pair of thrifted little soccer shorts. I absolutely love these, and these were definitely trending last summer. So gonna wear them again this summer. I think they'll still be in. Last summer I always wore them with, you know, like tennis shoes or whatever, and I think it'd be really fun to pair these with cowboy boots now. I love the look of that. If you didn't watch my last video, I styled an outfit like that and it turned out really cute, so I totally forgot that I had this black pair that are so nice. Yeah, thrifted from the like little boy section. These are my favorite types of pants in the summertime. If you were subscribed to me last summer, watched my videos, you know I kept thrifting little satin pajama pants, and I wear them like as real pants. They're obviously a little too thin for the fall and winter time, but spring and summer, once it starts warming up, these pants are so nice. They keep you really cool but covered if that's what you like. I also have them in white or like cream, but I kept them upstairs because I love the cream ones so much. I never wanted to put them away, but I'm happy to have the blue pair again. So as I'm doing this bin will get filled with my winter clothes, and then those will all go downstairs. The next pair of pants aren't really summer pants, but I just wasn't really going out in the winter time, and I have a green pair that I liked a little bit more for the winter, and this pink pair feel a little more summery. They're the brand Revolt jeans. I got them I think last spring on eBay. They're vintage, but if you search Revolt jeans, so many of these come up. I love the crazy pattern pants in a vintage pair. Literally just like never go out of style. Maybe they do, but not to me. Again, if you guys followed me last spring or summer, you would know this outfit. It is a little men's pajama set. This was 25 cents when everybody was obsessed with the like Matilda Djerf one. I mean, everyone still kind of is obsessed with the Matilda Djerf one, but I'm very happy with my little vintage one. It's so soft. Just a nice blue plaid color. This was so nice in the summer when it's really hot out. I can't wait to wear it again. And I was worried I got rid of that, but I'm so happy I didn't. Then this is probably, it could be nighttime summer or spring appropriate. It's this knit midi dress, or midi skirt. I didn't get this too long ago, but I just knew I wasn't gonna wear it in the winter. I probably got it in the fall, so I put it in the basement just so it wouldn't take up storage space in my bedroom because I don't have a very big closet. This is the brand and Creme, but I got it off eBay. I think they have very similar ones on like Urban or Princess Polly if you want like a knit midi skirt. Adorable. Okay, before we get any further in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Casetify. Casetify's new impact and ultra impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based material. They come in 100% recycled packaging with recycled paper and non-toxic ink made from soybeans. You guys already know this one, but their Chi-Tech 2.0 technology is drop tested approved for up to 9.8 feet. They're compatible with 5G, MagSafe, and wireless charging. Casetify prides themselves on carrying the largest variety of phone case colors and designs to fit your every mood. Choose from their selection of curated prints and personalize a case with your favorite font and design layout for a truly customized case. Casetify's cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous. They also feature an antimicrobial coating, killing 99% of bacteria, keeping your case germ-free. You can check out Casetify's wide range of spring prints, whether it's floral or pastel. Casetify has got you covered. You guys already know I absolutely love Casetify phone cases. I've always got one on my phone. I've gotten my whole family, friends and family hooked on these phone cases. We don't trust anything else. Your phone is so expensive. Make sure you're protecting it. If you guys want to check out Casetify or get a Casetify phone case, you can go to casetify.com/Lainey and get 15% off your order. I can't recommend them enough, and you guys already know that. Let's get into the rest of the haul. Hey, I thought I lost this. This is literally like Christmas. It's like, oh my god, who curated the most perfect box of clothes for me? I did. This is a little white slip dress that I thrifted. I also thrifted it in like this hunter green color, but I gave it to my friend for her birthday, even though I wish I didn't because I want it. But this was something I wore all the time in the summer, like going out at night with a pair of Docs or cowboy boots. So cute. Oh, I can't wait for warm weather now. These are another pair of athletic shorts I wore all the freaking time last summer. They were actually a long pair of Nike sweatpants I got off eBay, and I just cut them into shorts. Yeah, I don't think they're like vintage or anything. They're just Nike sweatpants. This is one of the first dresses I ever showed on my YouTube channel, which is just so funny to me. I got it when I think all of us were obsessed with Best Dress, and she always talked about Reformation. But I was not about to buy a Reformation dress for, how much is it, like 200 bucks? So I found this one on Poshmark, and it's still so cute to me. It's just a little floral puff sleeve mini dress. Adorable. I still absolutely love this dress for the summertime. I think like the first way I ever styled it was with Doc Martens, and that's totally what I do now, or cowboy boots. Those are interchangeable to me. What is this? This dress, I'm surprised I even kept it. I've never worn it because I just have never had like an occasion to. I feel like with white dresses, it's like if I'm wearing a fancier dress, it's only to a wedding, and then you don't wear a white dress to a wedding, so I never have places to wear them. This is from Lulu's. It's that like super trendy cutout style dress, but in a really pretty white, like cream satin color. I love this dress so much. It's so pretty. My friend Amanda wore it on her bachelorette trip. I brought it for her, and it looks so good on her. So I don't know when I'm gonna wear this or when I'll have the occasion or the time, but I want to keep it because I just like it so much. Then my favorite dress of all time. This is never going anywhere. It's actually gotten a hole in it, which I need to sew up because I like it so much. I got this dress I think like 6 years ago. Yeah, like 6 years ago. It is this baby doll midi floral dress from Urban Outfitters, and it is my favorite dress of all time. I wear the absolute crap out of this dress, and when I got it, whatever, 6 years ago, because it was like a midi length dress, I was like, this is so out there. I can't believe, like, I don't think I'm really ever gonna wear this. I wear it all the time now. I love taking this out for the summertime, spring and summer. Then we have this one. You're just gonna have to see better in the try on, but I'm sure most of you who watch my channel know this piece. It's a denim jumpsuit that I wear just about every spring. It's actually from Nasty Gal, and it's really nice quality. I used to do hauls with Nasty Gal, like when I kind of first started my channel. You guys know I've cut down on hauls, but this is a piece that has stayed through all the new clothes. Don't care, this Nasty Gal jumpsuit always stays. It's so effing cute. I always get so many questions and compliments every time I wear it. Absolutely obsessed with it. Definitely a springtime item. It's so cute. When does it get warm? This is an absolutely adorable and crochet little vest. I love this as like a swimsuit cover up. I got this off eBay again last spring, and I wasn't like I didn't swim that often or wear that many like bikinis last summer, so I really never got the chance to wear this because I like it with a bikini under, but hopefully I'm swimming more this year and I'll get to wear this. So cute. Love these pants. I love these pants. I got these from a curated vintage shop called Finders Keepers. It's in downtown Plymouth if you live in Michigan. And they're these wide leg blue gingham pants. They're so cute. I love them like dressed down with just like a hoodie or a crew neck. And then obviously dressed up. They just scream like Easter and springtime. So good. And the tag is literally like so old. Yeah, it really doesn't say anything as a brand, so I'm sorry. Here is another item that I wore a lot last summer when I got them. They're from Lulu's. Lulu's has just really great pieces. These are little short style overalls and they're cream color. You just can't go wrong with these. Again, like wearing them to the beach just over a swimsuit is adorable, and then for every day when I was working on the bus I used to wear these a lot. Now working on the studio I'll be able to wear them a lot. Or bus road trips. Very cute. Oh, I forgot about this dress too. I only got to wear this one time. I think I thrifted it like in August, so the end of summer. It's this really pretty royal blue, like super deep V mini dress. The brand is Allen Allen. I've never heard of it. But my friend Ava actually found this at the thrift and let me pick it up. So, very cute. Perfect for going out. It needs a good iron though. Another dress I love in the summertime. I don't even remember when I got this one, but oh, it's so cute. It's this little baby doll linen dress, super tiny, super short, but so cute. I think now with like a pair of bloomers underneath it would be adorable. It's just perfect in the summertime when it's really hot and you don't want like any clothes on your body, especially because it's linen. It's from Princess Polly, but I don't think it's on the site anymore. Loved that last summer. These shorts are so cute. Another item from Nasty Gal, from my old Nasty Gal hauls. They're these little leather shorts, perfect for going out. Pair it with literally anything and it looks so cute. Knee-high boots, cowboy boots, like a t-shirt or a fun top. For all the girlies who don't know what to do in the summertime without their Melina pants, you need a leather pair of shorts. That's not a diss. This is a new, see? Tag's still on it because by the time I got this, it was already too cold out to wear, so I just threw it in the basement. It's from Beginning Boutique, and it's just the perfect style midi dress. It's a little bit tighter than the other one from Urban, but I think that this is just also going to be something that I wear all the time in the summer, whether it's with sneakers, cowboy boots, whatever. And the lime green is so fun. You guys, I have so much stuff. This is my go-to dress anytime I have a wedding or like a bridal shower, a baby shower, just any kind of event, or if I had to go to church randomly, this dress works. It's just high neck, it's like a shift dress, and it's got this really cute ruffle on the bottom. Yeah, I love this. I got this off Poshmark so long ago, and I've almost gotten rid of it so many times, but then there always ends up being like an event, and I just reach for that, and it's perfect. Then I have two of these like Simonette dupe tops. They're the just like knit crazy tops that you can wrap around like so many different ways, and I actually ended up wearing these so much last summer, especially the white one, but I love the green one too. And yes, they are just like the dupes, but they're from Birdbee, which is just like this little boutique in Detroit, so I felt fine getting them from there. So many of you guys want to buy this top off me, and I will never sell it, I'm sorry. It's this super cool button-up top with this insane cowboy boot, glitter cowboy boot on the back, glitter on the front. It's so fun. The colors are so fun. I got this off eBay again, like last spring. I had like the haul of a lifetime. It's just so cool. Perfect for the summertime, throwing over top a bikini. Yeah, I gotta iron that too though. Okay, we're down to the last bits. Next top. This is from my first ever thrift haul on my channel. And honestly, my first ever thrift haul where I got out of the boys section. Because when I used to thrift with Brandon especially, my boyfriend in high school, we would just do like t-shirts and hoodies. That was it. I never went to the like girls section because it just felt really intimidating and a lot harder. And this was the first thing I ever got from there. It's this like vintage little lingerie top, and I wore the absolute crap out of this. I will again. I love this color. Green is my color. Ugh, it's so pretty and so soft like butter. It needs to be ironed. Next, we have another pair of classic summer pants for me, which is just a wide linen pant. These are actually from H&M. I had like a vintage pair of wide-legged linen pants that I was obsessed with, and when I got robbed in Nashville, they were in there and got stolen, so I was so distraught. I like couldn't wait to get another like vintage pair, you know, stumble across another pair, that I let myself go to H&M and just buy a linen pair of pants. And I wore them all the time, so I'm happy I did. I love them. They go with literally everything. They're so comfy. Oh my gosh, another piece that I wore the crap out of last summer is this like navy blue, almost black, long slip dress. It is so thin. You can basically see through it, but when it's on, like pressed to your body, you really can't. When it's deathly hot outside, this is my go-to because it's so thin, but again, still like covers your body so you're not like uncomfortable and tugging or whatever. I'm weird about like my butt crack showing or stuff like that, like a butt cheek. So this is from the brand The Great. I thrifted it. So good. If you don't have a long slip dress, you need one in your life. I thought there was a stain on it and I would have died. The last three things I have are actually handmade tops, which is so cool. This first one, you guys probably know. It's this super cool blue sparkly top. It's from the brand Bond Studio. I can link her down below. I have the orange pants like this and the orange matching top. And then when I got the orange pants, she just sent me the blue top and the blue or orange top. I knew I wasn't gonna wear this blue top in the wintertime, so I put it away. But it's so fun. Look at that sparkle, especially for the summertime. Oh my god. Pair it with anything and so cute, but I might need the blue matching pants because these are so fun. Okay. I got these again at like the end of summer, beginning of fall, so I didn't get to wear them. And I'm so excited to wear them this year because now they feel brand new to me. They're from the brand Palomino. The guy who makes these tops actually reached out to me on TikTok and sent them to me. And they are like the most high quality tops I've ever felt in my whole life, and like that's what he prides himself on. There's this little navy blue, royal blue one with like white flowers all over it, and it's so pretty, like double lined, just such good quality. I can't wait to start wearing these. They've got like every aspect that I love in a top, like the ruffles, the tie shoulders, and buttons down the front. What more could you ask for? Adorable. And that's it for my spring summer giant haul. I hope you guys liked it. Sorry that I clickbaited you a little bit, but I'm trying not to buy as many new clothes, and you know, when I get pieces, it's like here and there. I don't really get to do giant hauls because there's just not enough to do a haul, and I just end up showing them in random like outfit videos or trend videos, and I hope that's okay with you guys. Whatever I can link below from this haul, I will, and remember to check out Casetify. You can use the link in the description box to get 15% off your Casetify phone case, and I think that's it. I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye!